Here we are. Say hello.
Hello.
We're going to the mall right now. My shoelace is untied. Damn it.
Every single time I leave, no matter where I park, I get these little speckles on my shit.
Speckles and shit? Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do. But, kind of regret wearing this now. Because it's gloomy and it's not cold, but it's not exactly warm either. It's kind of in between. Where do I set this down? Okay, we're gonna use a water bottle to hold my phone up. There we go. A bitch looking cute. So yeah, I forgot the vlogging camera, but we didn't do anything anyways. We just had breakfast and then I showered. My nose is itchy. We had breakfast, I showered, and then I did my makeup, and that's it. And now it's 4 o'clock. I have no idea how our Saturdays and like our weekends always go by so quickly. Did you get the leaf?
Yes.
Oh, baby, you have something on your tooth right there. Good enough.
We can't get between.
This is saying in the video. But if you don't get your stinking. Are we here for any particular thing? It's the Easter Bunny!
What the fuck?
Inception.
What do you think about this color? Do you like this color? This color? This color? This? If you were to choose between these two right here, which one?
What are you looking to buy?
Hat.
What kind of hat?
Dad hat.
Damn, are you a dad?
9 months.
Are you, what the? Tell me that does not look so beautiful. Just a silhouette of the palm. Oh boy. And then, what the frick? Like cotton candy up in this bitch. I wanted a Cinnabon.
Why didn't you say anything? Just stop thinking.
Alright.
Thank God. Peace and quiet for once.
I gotta block out all the haters, aka you.
You're gonna hear hella static.
I'm probably gonna mute this. What the heck is this? This looks delicious, but I don't know what it is. And then here's the code. Alright. Here's my pizza. So delicious. I got green peppers and like some Asiago cheese. Oh shoot. Are you okay? And then Brandon's pizza. He just got extra pepperoni.
I just got pepperoni. Fuck, I didn't tell him to do square cut. Damn. I always fuck that shit.
Here we are at Walmart.
What's that?
"12 seconds later."
At Walmart. This thing is phenomenal. Wow.